WCTC saw the need to expand on EV training. As the electric vehicles are growing, we needed to grow too. So we just bought a fleet of electric vehicles, equipment, and electric vehicle gloves to work on them. We have an 80-hour, 3-credit class. It's a full-blown electric vehicle hybrid class, and the students, when they take it, they're gonna work on electric vehicles, hybrid vehicles, plug-in vehicles. They're gonna take batteries apart. We're gonna take electric vehicle batteries out of the car. We're gonna teach them the safety aspects of it. We're gonna teach them to be calm and slow and do it right. So when they go out in the industry, the employers will hire them feeling comfortable that these guys know what they're doing.
The best technical skill I acquired at WCTC that helps me in my job today is probably electrical diagnostic. Being that we're going into an EV era of cars, a lot more electrical vehicles are coming in where you have to understand how electrical systems work. 1 month into working here out of school, I was already doing batteries and diagnosing the hybrid systems of Prius vehicles.
These electric cars and the hybrids are part of the future. By having us out here in the shop able to practice, it gives us a place to learn it and do it ourselves. It's gonna be really nice to have that solid foundation to build off of as these cars evolve.
WCTC is very engaged with these emerging technologies. They're working to bring these cars and technologies and learning systems to the classroom.
We have instructors with over 180 years of experience between all of us. We're all dedicated ASE certified technicians and instructors. Being ASE certified is a really big deal in the automotive industry. It not only shows off our expertise, but it also proves that we're dedicated to providing top-notch automotive instruction to our students. We all work closely together. We all teach what we do best.
In Southeast Wisconsin, there's no other place to get this type of training for an affordable price. The career fairs that they have for the automotive students, you have different employers here that are willing to give students a job. They'll work with you too, since they know you're in school.
It's really important for us to work closely with the local shops, and we get all their input, and we make a lot of decisions based on what the industry tells us they need.
The partnership that we have with WCTC, I serve on one of their advisory panels, so I give feedback about what we're seeing and open a discussion about what is going on in the real world, where we are versus what they're bringing to the classroom, and see if we can bring the two to connect and merge together. Being able to have that dialogue and that conversation back and forth, I think really helps us set us up for success long term.
So in the automotive program, you can come through 2 different ways. You can do the GM ASEP program. That is GM specific, and we work with local dealers, and the students go through that and become GM certified technicians. We have the general program, which is general automotive, and we train the students on every make and model. We have a lot of GMs, we have Ford, we have Honda, we have Toyota, we have Subaru, Mercedes. All of our vehicles that the students work on are about 10 years old or newer. We stay current because we want the students to be ready for industry.
Going through high school, I was kind of set on going to a 4-year for mechanical engineering, and I did about 3.5 semesters at the 4-year before I was sitting there doing my calculus homework, and I'm like, this isn't right. I'd prefer to be doing something with my hands. And I'd always known about WCTC's programs. I found the automotive program, and I figured that'd be a good spot to develop a solid set of fundamentals.
Their hands-on approach really hit me with my need to tinker with things, so it made me learn so much more, and I was able to jump into the field right away, week 1, working on cars.
For students that are thinking or considering about coming to our transportation programs, our truck driving is one of the best in the state. Our diesel program is new, it's just growing tremendously. We had full classes last year, great instructors. And our automotive program, where I teach, is, I feel, one of the best in the state, if not the best.
The quality of instructors at WCTC is awesome. All of the instructors are attentive. They know your name. They know if you're having a good day. It makes you feel like you're a little family every day when you're in the class. It's not like you're a number or you're at some big college.
At WCTC, we have great leadership here, and they see the need as our world evolves and things change. We're on the forefront of that all the time. Whatever the industry needs, we're gonna do for our local employers and for our students.